Yep.
Today, we will show you how crappy this Nerf gun, the rated CF35 is.
Hold it up.
The pump action is very good. But watch how far. Go back here. You probably won't even get to the end of this cricket pitch. Oh, nice. Few more. Now throw the ball one. Right. That failed.
Look close up of the board. I'm gonna get behind it, Liam.
Okay. Top four balls, right, Jason? Top four. I'll load it up. Yeah, pretty
Look at the
successful.
size of the mag.
35 rounds fitting it. Probably about 40, but only gave me 35 bastards. They can go to hell. No!
Yeah, show him rapid fire, Liam.
Ready?
Yeah.
Jam. Jam, Jason. There we go.
That looked pretty